Hello, this is Vimanyu here. Welcome to my channel Talk to Share. Today we are going to make Serradura pudding. For this pudding, we are going to use 10 to 12 pieces of Marie biscuits. We are going to use these Marie biscuits as the base for our pudding. I'm going to proceed to crush these with my hands before I properly crush these into a coarse powder so that it's easier for me. As you can see, I'm making sure it's into a coarse powder. You can even use a mixer and blender. Just make sure that the powder that comes out is coarse enough and not too fine. As you can see, the powder is coarse. Now in this bowl, I'm going to put half cup whipping cream. And then I'm going to proceed to whisk it till firm peaks are formed. You can even use a hand mixer as I have used, but if you do not have one, just use a simple whip. And whip it till you see the stiff peak form as mine have formed. It's an even dense when I pick up the bowl. Now I'm going to proceed to add 1/4 cup of mango pulp. You can use another fruit pulp if you want. And I'm not adding sugar into my pulp because I think it's sweet enough since there is sweet in the whipping cream. You can proceed to add more sugar if you require it. Now proceed to fold it rather than mixing it vigorously because there's air bubble inside the whipping cream which might escape if you do it too hard. Just do it gently and slowly. And as you can see, everything is combined properly. Now we're going to proceed to make the pudding. First, line up the bottom of the vessel with the coarse powder of marigold biscuits we had prepared earlier. Press it down so that a uniform layer on the top is formed. And then we will put in the mango cream that we have prepared on top of it. Pour it in gently and smoothen out the top as much as you can. Then we will continue with another layer of marigold biscuits. Just follow the first step that we did earlier. Pour over the marigold biscuits on the layer of mango cream and just do it gently this time. Press it down gently because the cream might come out if you do it too hard. Then again line it up with the mango cream. And smoothen it out. Now I'm going to proceed with garnishing. I'm using mango chunks. You can use another fruit also if you require it. But since my main theme is mango, I'm going to use mango chunks. As you can see, 2 layers of each component has been formed. Now since I had more of the filling remaining, I used a glass for the remainder of the pudding. If you do not have a utensil like the earlier one, you can also use a glass for it. Just follow the same instructions that I had showed before. Start with the marigold filling, then the mango cream, and again with the marigold, and finish it with the mango cream. You can go on building up more layers if you have a larger vessel. And make sure that it's all smooth and uniform. Again, I'm going to garnish it with the remaining mango chunks that I had. And after this, we are going to refrigerate it for half an hour to an hour in a freezer. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it.